The RM540 is a single-structure, dual reference cell input device for basic test point monitoring. This particular device is the RM540S with Iridium satellite communication. Also available is the RM540C with cellular communication. The installation process for both the cellular and satellite options of the RM540 is identical. The installation assumes that we already have a 3-inch riser post, test head, and a single or 2 reference cells installed. To begin the installation, first I will remove the cap to expose the vertical plate on the test head. The RM540 includes 3 main inputs: Pipe 1, which is your structure connection, Ref 1, which is your permanent reference cell connection, and Cal/Ref 2, which is another permanent reference cell, or it could be a portable reference cell during manual on-site verification by a technician. The RM540 includes a detachable terminal block at its base for use in wiring to the structure and reference cell cables via our included adapter cable. For simplicity of this installation demo, we have already wired this terminal block to the relevant wires as shown. Now that our terminal block has been wired, we will install the included spacer on top of the test head. This spacer provides extra clearance to enable the cap to fit over the RM540 once it has been installed on the test head. You will find a screw underneath the RM540 that is used to secure the device to the vertical plate. Remove and save this screw. We will now install the terminal block on the bottom of the RM540 by pressing it onto the pins exposed. Press the terminal block firmly all the way so that the pins are no longer exposed. Now I will place the RM540 over the top of the vertical plate. Once the RM540 is on top of the vertical plate, reinstall the screw to secure it in place. Now that the RM540 is fully installed on the vertical plate, we can continue with configuration of the unit using the Bullhorn Tools mobile app. To activate Bluetooth, swipe a magnet near the magnet icon printed on the RM540 label as shown. When Bluetooth communication has been activated, a blue LED will blink on the device. In another video, we will walk through configuration of your RM540 using Bullhorn Tools. After you've completed configuration of your RM540, replace the cap on top of the test head as shown, and secure it in place by twisting. This completes the installation of the RM540 Test Point Monitor. Thank you for trusting American Innovations for all of your cathodic protection monitoring needs.